Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to choose a Clickbank product to promote. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and I do a lot of product reviews. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into how to choose a Clickbank product. I'm going to give you 5 different criteria. The first one is to make sure you choose a profitable niche, which there's 3 of them. The first one is self-help or relationships. Then you have health and e-business and e-marketing or wealth. And that's just because those are the areas that people have the most pain in, and your product will help them to solve those problems. The second one is to take a look at the sales page and make sure it looks realistic and they're not false income claims. I look at a lot of Clickbank products and I can't believe how many of them have sales pages that are just totally unrealistic. They're paid actors from Fiverr. They're not even a real owner. It's a spokesperson. And so if it just looks too hyped up, that's not going to be something that it may sell well, but then people will refund because then they realize it's not what the product says it's going to, it's going to give them the kind of results that they want to get. So take a look at it, make sure it looks like it's legitimate. Like one good product is Clickbank University. John Crestani has a good product. Those are like actual people that are talking in the sales video, giving you results that really seem realistic. The third thing is to look for the gravity score of more than 40. Now this isn't the end all be all, but if you do look at something and it has at least 40, then you know that it's been selling well. Let's see if we look at, let's look at health. Because I've seen some people say that they choose a product that has a real low gravity score so there's not a lot of competition, and when they really know how to market it, then they do well with that. So, but I would in general recommend, if you're getting started, to pick something that is already selling well. They know the gravity is again more than 40. This one here, the gravity is 216. And let's see, Organifi, this is a good product here. Gravity's 70. So that's the third thing. Then the fourth thing is you want to look for a product that has upsells. So the initial sale is lower than the average sale. You can see on Organifi here, the initial sale is $68.50 and the average sale is $77.04. So this one does have upsells. It also has recurring billing. I mean, that's ideal if you can do that. Like, this is a physical product, so they're going to continue to buy that. Clickbank University is a monthly membership, so that's another good thing, is to have the recurring billing if possible. But if not, see if you can get one that the initial sale is lower than the average sale, so you can be making money from the upsells. And then you also want to make sure that it has a good affiliate page with good marketing material. So if you go to some of these health products, let's look at this one here. Look to see if maybe they have banners or they have email follow-up series that you can put into your autoresponder. Let's look at, I think Clickbank University has a really good affiliate page. And that's the one that I said has a recurring monthly. Let's see, Clickbank University. Oops.
Hey, it's Justin.
Okay, so you see this is a good sales page right here. There's a real person there. And then you can see that they have a good affiliate page here as well. Actually, you have to go ahead and register for it. So I'm not going to do that, but I do know that they have a really good affiliate page and a lot of marketing materials. So that's really important because it has to look good when you market it as well. So those are my 5 criteria. Again, if you you can pick something that you think, oh, this will sell really well. But if it's not a quality product, you're going to get refunds. And if you're using paid marketing like solo ads, then you're going to be actually losing money. The ideal thing is to purchase the product, go through the material, the training, and make sure it's of high quality before you promote it, because again, you're going to be wasting your time, but also you want to look at the person at the other end of that that's purchasing the product. I don't want to stand behind something that's not of high quality, and I wouldn't want to be on the receiving end of receiving a product that it looked like it was really good, and then you get in there and it's not. So those are my 5 criteria for how to choose a ClickBank product. If you guys found value from this, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below. And again, if you want to learn more about these type of topics of how to make money, click the subscribe button. Also, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below this video. You can check it out if you like. With that being said, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.